Welcome for project learning group. Today I will teaching for how to create video player in Visual Studio 2019. First click, this is part 1, how to design video player. Create a new project. Click window form app. Click next and type project name. SMV video player. Click create button. Open a new form. First resize form. This is form properties. This is form properties. This is toolbar. Click toolbox. Search panel. Click panel tool. Click form. Resize panel. And set property. Go to property. Click anchor. Set anchoring. And next panel color. Back color. Click back color. Choose color. Choose any color. Next, open window media player tool. This is window media player tool. This is how to open. Click general. Click right click. Show item. Choose item. Click next. COM component. Common component. Click. Scrolling. Click window media player checkbox and OK. Click window media player and click form. Opening this tool and next drag or property. Go to property. Search dock. Click center. Fit correct fill panel and right click this window media player tool. Go right click and next go to property and select a mode. Click none. Apply. Hide these properties and OK. Click. Next, create button. Click toolbar. Click button tool and click form. Button is created. Resize the button and allocate place. Go to property, search text, removing button name and search image, click image 3 dot button, opening select resources, click project resource file, click import, choosing image and click open, show this image and click OK. Image is applied. Next, this is square. How to remove the square? Click search, go to property and search flat style. Click flat style and select flat and flat appearance. Click this plus checkbox and border style, remove and apply 0. Enter. This square box is removed. Likewise, all buttons created. And easy way to more than button. First click this button, keyboard press Ctrl and drag this button. Likewise, more button create for this method and very easy and useful. Sorry, this is code form. Press Ctrl button and drag. Click image changes. Click the button. Go to property. Select image. Image. Click. Opening select resource. Click import. Click image. Open and OK. Image is changing. Likewise, all button. This method for image changing. Import. Stop button. Open. OK. All buttons are size is 64 pixels. Import click. Next, forward, backward buttons are created. Click another button. Go to properties and click image. Click import. Backward, open. Click open. OK. Buttons are created. Likewise, these all buttons are creating this method. And progress bar setting. Click toolbar. Search progress bar. Click progress bar tool and click form. Progress bar is created. Resize this progress bar tool. Resizing this progress bar and go to toolbar. Search labels. Click label and click form. It is time showing label, so I am go to properties, text, search text and type 00 colon 00. Enter.